So this is a little trick I learned a long time ago. So I'm going to overlock. Going to leave a nice long tail of thread, and we're going to trim our thread. So here you'll notice that you've got a little bit of a tail happening here. There's all kinds of things, how you can finish it off by sewing it back into something. You can thread it onto a needle, all kinds of different things. What you also can do is pull. It automatically locks itself off. Once it's locked off, trim, and you're all done. Makes the edge ever so a little bit bumpy, but if it's going to go into another seam or something like that, it's not too bad. It's actually looking like here, like my overlocker could do with a bit of a clean, because the blade is not cutting smoothly. I'm going to go clean my blade before I do any more demos.